Hi everyone, Phil here from Ferris Technology. Today we're doing a vlog 4K video test on the Canon M200. We are using the kit lens right now, which is the EFM 15 to 45 millimeter, and we are on the 15 millimeter setting. So you can see this is the widest setting that we're gonna get. We are using the internal microphone on the M200, and all of these settings for the video are on automatic. So automatic white balance, automatic exposure, everything is just set to auto. So this is going to be the easiest user setting for you. If you just pick up this camera, start vlogging, it's going to look exactly like this. We're going to switch right over now to the Canon EFS 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and we're going to be using an adapter to make it fit on this camera because it's normally made for the EFS lens cameras, but the adapter settings with this and the lens itself, it looks fantastic. So you can see how much wider this lens is. Let's switch right over to it right now. Okay, we have now switched over to the Canon EFS 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and this one does have the adapter on there. You will need that separate adapter, but as you can see, just a much wider, more usable angle. Because of the 1.6 crop with 4K on this camera, having this nice 10 to 18 millimeter lens definitely gives you a better wide angle shot for 4K video. If you switch over to 1080p, it's going to be way less of a crop, but a lot of people will buy this camera specifically for 4K. So if you want that 4K footage and vlogging, you want a more usable lens, the 10 to 18 millimeter is going to be a great addition. It is an expensive lens though. I mean, it's $300 when you compare it to the price of this camera, which is $400 to $500. So most people aren't going to spend nearly the amount of the actual camera for the lens, but it's really up to you. If you guys want a nice usable vlogging lens for the Canon M200, the 10 to 18 millimeter is a great option. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.